Hi guys, you're getting ready to start writing your position paper outlines, and I'm here at home in a nursery stuck with diapers and bottles. Don't worry, I don't miss you yet, but I wanted to give you this video to help you write your outline, because since I'm not going to be there for some direct instruction, this hopefully will help answer many of your questions. The first thing I want to do today is to go over how to make sure you have the proper format for your paper. For many of you, this may be old news, something you already know. For others, this may be the first time you're being taught this. Bear with me.
First thing you need to do is to open a Word document and go up to Page Layout and Margins. Make sure that your default is 1 inch all the way around. You then want to check your font to make sure your font is Times New Roman, size 12. Then you're going to go to Insert again. We're going to put a header in, and the header for the sake of this paper is going to be your last name and first initial. Click Close Header and Footer. It should show up on every page. The last basic thing we have to do is to make sure your references are set up. For this paper, we are using the APA. So choose the most recent edition of the APA formatting and make sure that is selected.
Your introductory paragraph for your position paper is going to be much different than the introductory paragraphs you've written for English. Instead of ending with a thesis, you are going to basically provide the background information for your topic, so that by reading your first paragraph, the reader, me, will understand everything she or he needs to know about your topic.
In the introductory paragraph, you have to have all background information for your topic. The purpose of the introductory paragraph is to inform the reader of everything that has happened and with regards to the debate, the argument, the fight, whatever word you want to use, over your topic. If I was using abortion as an example, I would definitely reference Roe versus Wade. I would reference any other major court cases that came in, laws that have been changed, how laws vary from state to state. An introductory paragraph should be, on average, 1 to 1.5 pages. That's your introductory paragraph. There should be research cited because obviously you are pulling Supreme Court cases, high-profile cases, etc. So research included and proper citations needed. And I'll explain that in a few minutes.
Now on to the body of your paper, the body of your outline. The first body paragraph offers a solution to the problem you described in the introductory paragraph. You have to provide 3 advantages and 3 disadvantages as follows.
The contents of the first body paragraph provide a solution to the problem. So previously, I'd mentioned using abortion. Well, in this case, I'll use a different topic. If you were doing animal testing, a possible solution that has been posed by people in the past to reduce or eliminate the need for animals to be used in testing is to use convicted felons in jail who are serving death sentences or life sentences. So that would be your solution. That's your topic sentence for your paragraph. And then what you need to do is to come up with 3 advantages to the solution. So what is an advantage of using humans instead of animals? And then you have to go and to find research that will support and reinforce that advantage. Then, once you have your 3 advantages, in a position paper, you have to offer the other side of your solution. So you're presenting the reader with not only the pros to your argument, but the cons to your argument. You're giving them a well-balanced explanation. So after you have your 3 advantages, you need to do the same thing except come up with 3 disadvantages.
The second body paragraph is exactly like the first body paragraph, except you're offering a second solution to the problem. Do the same thing you did with your first body paragraph for a second solution in your second body paragraph. The trickiest part of your position paper is going to be writing your conclusion. The concluding paragraph of a position paper is the writer or the author's opinion as to which solution offered in the paper is the best solution to the problem.
In the closing paragraph of a position paper, you must choose one of the two solutions you gave to the reader and argue and convince the reader as to why that is the best solution to the initial problem. So you're going to pick either the solution given in body paragraph number 1 or the solution given in body paragraph number 2 and come up with at least three, this may take you more than 3, convincing reasons as to why this solution is the best solution to the problem. You then find research to make your opinion an educated opinion. You cannot use throughout this entire paper, and especially here in the final paragraph, first or second person pronouns. Okay? You should be introducing new research, additional research, not just copying and pasting the arguments that you made for the advantages up in the earlier paragraph.
The last thing I want to show you today is how to properly cite your sources as well as how to create a works cited page. These are two necessary things, and without them you receive a 0 for plagiarism. Please let the computer do the work for you. If your version of Word is not updated enough or not modern enough, please get a pass from the substitute and use the library computers or even the laptops.
And once I have my cursor where I want the citation to be, I want to go up here to References. When you click on References, you'll see Insert Citation. Okay, we want to add a new source. So for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to make up a source. All right, now, once you have that typed in, you just hit OK. Now, two things are going to happen. Okay, when I click OK, where my cursor was, okay, now there is what we call a citation. Right? Here's the even better part. If you go back up here to Insert Citation, we now have saved it in there. So if I pull disadvantage from number 1 to the solution from this same source, okay, all I have to do is put my cursor in there, go up here to Insert Citation, click on it, it automatically cites. You will have to do that with each one of your sources. So go in and add a new source, put them in, and what's going to happen is this list will get bigger. Every single one of these research areas should have a proper citation. You must have a works cited page. If you just go here to the Bibliography tab, I want you to use works cited. Okay, put your cursor down here on the top of your last page of your paper. After you've clicked References and gone to Bibliography, click on Works Cited, and it will auto-generate your works cited.
Finally, I hope this helped. If it doesn't help, you still have questions, please feel free to email me. I will get back to you as soon as I can. Don't wait until 2 days before the due date for your outline. So good luck.